Are you looking for the best dashcam? In this video we will look at some of the best dashcam on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Vantrue N4 4K Car Dashcam. The Vantrue N4 4K Car Dashcam is a 3-channel dashcam that can record video from the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle simultaneously. It features a 4K front camera, a 1080p rear camera, and a 1080p interior camera. The front camera has a wide-angle lens that captures up to 155 degrees of the road ahead. The rear camera has a wide-angle lens that captures up to 160 degrees of the road behind. The interior camera has a wide-angle lens that captures up to 165 degrees of the interior of your vehicle. These features help to improve video quality in both bright and low light conditions. This feature allows the dashcam to record clear video at night, even in complete darkness. This mode allows the dashcam to record video even when your car is parked and the engine is off. This feature records the location and speed of your vehicle to the video footage. This feature allows you to control the dashcam with your voice. The Vantrue N4 4K Car Dashcam is a great choice for drivers who want a high-quality dashcam that can provide all-around protection. It is also a good choice for drivers who want to use the dashcam for insurance purposes or to gather evidence in the event of an accident. Number 2. Vantrue N2 Pro Car Dashcam. The Vantrue N2 Pro is a dual-lens dashcam that records the road ahead and inside the cabin of your car simultaneously. It features a 170 degrees front-facing camera and a 140 degrees rear-facing camera, both of which record in full HD 1080p resolution. The front camera can also record in 2.5K resolution, which provides even sharper footage. The front and rear cameras both have infrared LEDs, which allow them to record clear footage in low light and even no light conditions. The N2 Pro can automatically start recording if it detects movement outside of your car while it is parked. This can be useful for deterring theft or vandalism, or for recording evidence of an accident that occurs while you are away from your car. The N2 Pro has a built-in G sensor that can automatically save footage if it detects a sudden impact. This can be helpful for recording evidence of an accident or other incident. The N2 Pro can be used with an optional GPS mount to record the location and speed of your car at the time of recording. This can be useful for insurance purposes or for tracking your driving habits. Number 3. KAWA D6 Car Dashcam. The KAWA D6 Car Dashcam is a 2K 1440p HD Wi-Fi dashcam that offers a number of features that make it a good choice for drivers who want a reliable and affordable dashcam. The KAWA D6 records video in 2K 1440p resolution, which is twice as clear as most 1080p dashcams. This means that you can capture license plates, road signs, and other details on the road with ease. The KAWA D6 has a 145 degrees wide-angle lens, which allows you to monitor more lanes without blind spots. This is especially important for city driving, where traffic can be unpredictable. The KAWA D6 features industry-leading Starlight Color Night Vision, which allows you to record clear images and videos even in low-light environments at night without auxiliary light sources. The KAWA D6 supports hands-free voice control in English, Japanese, Russian, and French. This means that you can save the current picture, record an emergency video, or start/stop recording without having to touch the dashcam. The KAWA D6 is palm-sized and has a hidden installation design. This means that it is discreet and does not block your line of sight. 24-hour parking mode. The KAWA D6 has 24-hour parking mode, which allows it to record video even when your car is parked and the engine is off. This can be useful for capturing footage of hit-and-runs or other incidents that occur while your car is parked. Number 4. ThiEYE Carbox 6R Car Dashcam. The ThiEYE Carbox 6R Car Dashcam is a 1080p dashcam with a 3.0-inch IPS display screen. It supports a rear camera and GPS, and it has a number of features that make it a good choice for drivers who want to protect themselves and their vehicles. The Carbox 6R records video in 1080p resolution, which is the highest resolution available for dashcams. This provides clear and detailed footage of the road ahead, even in low-light conditions. The Carbox 6R has a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, which allows it to capture a wide field of view. This is helpful for recording traffic incidents and other events that may occur on the road. The ThiEYE Carbox 6R car dashcam is a good choice for drivers who are looking for a dashcam with a number of features, including 1080p video recording, a 170 degrees wide-angle lens, G-sensor and emergency recording, parking monitor, and support for rear camera and GPS. The above paragraph describes the ThiEYE Carbox 6R car dashcam as a 1080p dashcam HD car video recorder 3.0-inch support rearcam GPS car camera car DVR 24H parking auto recorder. This description is accurate, and it highlights the key features of the dashcam. Number 5. ThiEYE 3.0-inch dashcam. The ThiEYE 3.0-inch dashcam dual-lens 1080p HD recording car camera DVR car recorder stream media with G-sensor motion detection is a budget-friendly dashcam that offers a variety of features, including the dashcam records footage from both the front and rear of the vehicle, providing a complete view of your surroundings. The front camera records footage in 1080p HD resolution, which is clear enough to capture details such as license plates and vehicle make and model. The dashcam has a built-in G-sensor that automatically detects and saves footage of any sudden impact or collision. In the context of the above paragraph, the ThiEYE 3.0-inch dashcam is a good example of a budget-friendly dashcam that offers dual-lens recording. This is a valuable feature for drivers who want to have a complete view of their surroundings, especially when backing up or parking. The dashcam also has a built-in G-sensor and motion detection, which can be helpful for capturing footage of accidents or other incidents.